In this quick video, I want to show you how to do a factory reset on any Cisco modem or router. It's fairly simple to do, and they're done with the same technique. All right, so usually if you have it on, you want to make sure you see lights, and there's two ways to do it. You could do a soft reset or you can do a hard reset. A soft reset is just to completely unplug it from the wall and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Plug it back in, and that will be your soft reset on the Cisco. All right. Now, to do a hard reset, what you're going to have to do is locate the reset button here on the back, and you'll see a little thing that says reset. It's like a little pinhole there. The only thing you're going to need is like a paper clip or safety pin or precision screwdriver. And what you want to do is you want to press down in that hole, and you want to press down for 15 seconds and don't let go. You'll feel like a little click. And as I'm holding down there, you'll see that that'll actually turn yellow as I'm holding the paper clip down into that hole. So you just keep holding, see there? So that did a reset on it. All right, and that's it. And then that should do a factory reset. Now you should have the password on your side. So you might have it on the back or on the side. It's basically your default password. So if you have any devices, you might need to let your family members know that they need to reset it on their phones or their laptops or their TVs. But that's how you do a reset on the Cisco router or modem. All right, thanks for watching.